We will not do gunna, okay?
Okay.
So, anta
Anta
waqfan,
waqfan
ant,
ant
ant, ta,
anta
ihdi
iti
waqfan, ihdi,
waqfan it
ba'du
wadu
waqfan, ba'd,
waqfan ba'd
batusha
batusha
waqfan, batush,
waqfan bash
sa'ya
saya
waqfan, sa'i.
waqfan sa
Okay, there is a word that is an'amta. Okay,
okay
Hamza,
hamza
Noon,
nun
Zabar, An,
hamza nun zabar an
Ain,
ain
Mim, Zabar, Am,
mim zabar am
An'am,
an am
Ta, Zabar, Ta,
zabar ta
An'amta,
an anta
Waqfan,
waqfan
An'am.
waqfan an anta
There is no gunna. This is Noon Sakin. You can see
okay
this is what?
nun sakin
But there is no gunna. Why?
because the, it's not it's not one of the
Yes, come on. Because
because
after Noon Sakin there is a empty gunna, that is Ain, one of the huruf halqi. And whenever we have anything that forbids gunna, then Noon will be deprived of gunna. Noon will not given gunna because the neighbor of Noon, the immediate neighbor of Noon, is not allowing us to do gunna on Noon. Okay.
okay
Another example.